everybody, welcome to Keto Delicious. Today is day 19 and I am so excited that you're here with me. Today I'm going to make my first meal of the day and I am going to be, I'm messing up my camera, sorry guys. I'm going to be making churro waffles and I'm putting bacon inside of them. I already have my bacon cooked, so cook your bacon however you want. And then I'm going to cut them up and dip them in Lily's chocolate. How wonderful is that? So here I go. I am going to do a cup of almond flour, and I need a little stir stick. I'm going to be doing, let's see, okay, and I have my baking powder. You just need about a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, and then you will need a half of a tablespoon of coconut flour, and then you're going to need 2 eggs to whip this bad boy up, and we are going to do this very quickly. And while I do this, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hot waffle pan, and I have one of these little pump guys. I love it, and I just spray it with avocado oil, tops and bottoms, to make sure that nothing sticks. And then I'm going to continue on and mix. I'm going to put 4 drops, and I use flavored stevia. You can use regular vanilla. You can use whatever you want. You can use cinnamon, it doesn't matter. And then I use a half of a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. And then I mix it all up. Very easy to do. Hope you guys are all doing great today, and maybe you could make this with me and have a great first meal of the day. Super easy. Nothing that would take less, more than 5 minutes. It's probably less than 5 ingredients. Now I'm going to get crazy here, and I'm going to put a little bit in I'm going to turn this so you can see it. I'm going to put this a little bit in my pan, just in certain areas here, and I may not fill it all the way full, because I want to just give you the whole idea. Normally it would be one whole waffle, and I'm just making 1 serving here. So what I am going to do is I'm going to add my bacon, and as you can see, the bacon is too big for the pan. Darn. I'm going to do that again. Oh, love it. Now, I'm going to take the rest of that waffle batter, and I'm going to put that on top. Beautiful, just like that. Cover the bacon, and then close the door and let it cook. There we are. Okay. So that is easy. I'm gonna wash my hands really quick here. And once that's done, then I'm gonna take it out and I'm going to slather some butter on it. And I'm going to, actually while I'm doing that, I'm gonna put a little bit of half and half into my Lily's chocolates, and I'm gonna microwave this real quick. All right guys, so I took that Lily's chocolate chips, I added a little bit of half and half to it, and you can add a little bit of water if it's too thick, which I actually may do. And this is going to be the dipping sauce if you choose to. Now you could use pancake syrup as well, and I can show you what I use. This is my favorite. So you can use that by any means. Perfect. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put this in my little container. And so we have that for dipping. And then I'm going to check on this waffle real quick because I think this waffle is probably done. Cool. So I'm going to pull this waffle out, which it's beautiful. Look at that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slather some butter on it. Oops. I'm going to slather some butter on it. Get it to where it's kind of wet on the outside. And then I'm going to take a spoon, and I have mixed cinnamon and swerve granule sugar, and I'm going to mix that up really well, and I'm going to just pour that over the top of this. Oh, how wonderful. Look at that. I mean, who is not going to love that? This is so easy. I don't know if this took us like 5 minutes or 4 minutes. I'm going to cut this bad boy right into pieces, right with that bacon, and then we will have ourselves some, what I'm calling my lunch. All right, guys, I'm going to lay this on the plate so that you can see it. Put some more cinnamon sugar all over that beautiful plate. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's so good. Sweet. And the butter. And now I'm dipping, well, see, now I've let my chocolate get too hard, but dipping it into the chocolate. I would recommend reheating the chocolate if you want. And if you don't want to do that, pour some maple syrup over the top of it for that added sweetness or that maple flavor. Oh my gosh, there you go. And there you have it. There is churro bacon covered waffles. Wonderful. I'll put the nutritional values on my website, and I'll also put the recipe on my website. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you take advantage of this and eat it. Look at this. I love eating with you guys. This was so easy, and it was, I don't know, it took all of 5 or 10 minutes heating everything up. Perfect. If you're on the go, grab these bad boys and make them really quick. You can also make a ton of these. I made one serving. You can make triple, quadruple. My recipe, cut them up, freeze them. You don't have to put bacon in them. You can put chocolate chips in them. You can put blueberries in them. You can put whatever the heck you want in there. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today. Today I just wanted to focus on food. I wanted to kind of get back into the swing of things of cooking in my kitchen too. I've been doing a lot of talking and motivation and walking, and so I wanted to cook with you guys today. So here you go, day 19. We have Keto Churro Bacon Covered Waffles. Love you guys. Subscribe to me if you're not. And if you are, thank you so much for coming to watch my videos. Click that button above where that bell is so you never miss one of my videos or one of my cooking recipes. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to finish this, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh my gosh, tomorrow is day 20. Oh, I can't believe it's gone so fast. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.